be complaining the algorithm is not pushing my video is not getting view, I don't have view, people are not watching my video, have I been shadow bound, have they stopped me, do I have strike, this and that. Ask a lot of questions. The problem you are having is sub for sub. Those your subscribers you are talking about, those 500, 1000, 2000, how did you get them? Now, as a starter, you are to send your video to YouTube, and the algorithm is going to watch and monitor that your video and send it to different set of people. I know the kind of category of people that like that video, and once the algorithm find out exactly the type of people that like that video, the algorithm will start pushing at your videos, start feeding them with your videos, and those kind of people will get your video and appreciate it. Then to the extent that some of them, if you did not send videos, they will email you that they did not receive your video to know what was going on. Now, if at first you start your YouTube with sub for sub, you meet people to subscribe to you, you go to pages, you ask people, join some group, small YouTubers, gather here, let's support each other, you subscribe to you, you subscribe to me. Now let me give you one example. Let's say you are a makeup artist, you sell makeup things, and you join a group or you meet people, a set of people that you have 70 years old men, 60 years old men in that group. Then you subscribe to them, then return the favor and subscribe to you. What will happen is that once you send your videos, the algorithm is going to feed your videos to this set of people first. Yes, these people that you call your subscriber, the algorithm is going to send your video direct to them first. Then once these people did not respond positively to this video, the algorithm is going to assume that this video is not okay, it's not fine. Even when you have the most wonderful video, the algorithm is going to stop pushing this video, stop distributing this video. That is when you will now find out that if you send video, you have when you have 2000 subscribers, you'll be having 2 view, 5 view, 6 view. It's as if you have been shadow bound. Let me give you an example. At home, you are a mother or somebody. Then when you cooked your food and you serve your children this food, your children react negatively to that food, and you have visitors on their way coming, then who you are planning to entertain, once your children react to that food and the food is not okay, definitely you are going to pack this food one side and find another thing and feed those visitors coming to you. Example, the same thing that happens to YouTube. If YouTube carry your video and send to people that you call your people, and those people reject that video, definitely it's not going to push that video furthermore. It's going to pack that video and feed those people with what they really want. That is the problem a lot of people are having, especially a starter. You are not to beg people, you're not to ask people to subscribe to your channel. You are going to grow your channel organically. These people that will genuinely subscribe to your channel are your fans. They even send emails, they'll watch your video, they'll like your video, they'll even comment on your video, share your videos, because they love what you are doing. They fall in love with what you are doing. This is what will bring you out. And once algorithm sees that people are picking your video, people are watching your video, they will constantly introduce your video to different more people, and from there your video will start going viral. Let me tell you, nobody ever goes viral through sub for sub. Subscribe to me and subscribe to you can never make you go viral. You will not go viral through it. All you will do is you struggle for years before you be able to pick up. Sometimes you will quit because you can no longer stand the stress. Number 2 is trend. Not using viral trend. In any niche you are into, there is something that is trending on that niche. It may be a topic, it may be a lifestyle or anything that is trending on that niche. Up into that trend. It's that trend that will help you target you and get to the audience that you need. See, YouTube is a fight, demand and supply. If everybody is demanding a particular things in your niche and you are not giving that particular things, the algorithm is not going to push your video at that time. The algorithm is going to focus on what people are demanding at that time. Then that's when you will see that people are, when trending come, people take advantage of it. You don't used to get like 10,000 views, 20,000 views. Because of that trend, you will get more views because of that trend, and you will get subscribers. People will get to know you because of that trend. Now, if you are not using that trend, you just do your own things, you just continue in what you are doing, just do your own normal things, your video will not move. If you do not take advantage of the trend and you keep doing your own thing, posting your own video, doing other things different from what is trending that time, definitely you are not going to get any view, because what people need is what the algorithm is going to feed them at that time. That is why you have to take advantage of every trend that is on your niche. Don't take trend that is on another person's niche. You are still not going to do well on it. So take the trend that is on your niche. Every niche have trending. Take, for those of you that don't know how to see what is trending on their niche, let's go to YouTube. This is YouTube Studio. You click on YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. Go to your dashboard. This is dashboard. When you get to dashboard, you are going to go to the analytics. You click on this analytics. When you get to analytics, look at trending. Is up here. These are the things trending on this niche. This is comedy niche. Yes, this is comedy niche. These are the things trending on this comedy niche. In case maybe what you are looking for is now, you can come here and type trending topic. Trending topic. Then you click trending topic, you search. With this, you will know those things that trend, allow you to load. But yes, it has fully load. Then you now check it out. With this, if you are creating something based on these things, you are going to get subscribers and also get your watch hour. Yes, it's very, very important to move with trend. Don't say I don't do with trend. I don't. Every niche you are, whether comedy, lifestyle, vlog, whatever you are, has trend, has something that is trending on it. And when that thing starts, please take advantage of it. Now, for in case now you don't know this thing, you can go to YouTube search. If you click here, you will see what is trending. Those ones that are high. Look at this one now, is high volume. It's high volume. This is low, and also medium ones. You go for those ones that are high volume. With this, you will be able to go viral on YouTube. Please try and hop on trend. Don't just create content and just create content. At the end of the day, you are not going to get more view like that. I know when you are creating quality content, you get your views and subscriber, but when you hop on trend make it very fast for you to grab your 1,000 subscribers and also your 4,000 watch hour. I grabbed my 1,000 subscribers through trend. When a particular trend was trending those days, because it was a comedy channel that I was into, I joined the trend. As the trend was going on, I was getting subscribers. Like some videos I will get up to 200 subscriber, 100 subscriber, 60, 100. That was how I grow my subscriber to where it is. Then now I take advantage of that trend. That was what really boosts my channel so well. So take advantage of trend. Very, very important. Thank you. The third one is not giving enough time. A lot of people are so impatient that they could not wait starting YouTube. You don't expect your first 5-6 videos to blow like that. It's not it doesn't work for everybody. The minute you send your video, all you need to do is that keep sending, be consistent in your sending, keep sending and give it time. Because once you start, the algorithm is going to confirm if you are a robot or a human being. So this will also take time for the algorithm to confirm if you are a robot or a human being. And after that, the algorithm is going to search for those that like your video. It's going to look for people of like mind that like what you are doing. Then before the algorithm will not start distributing this video to them. It's not something you start today. After 1 week, you are already complaining, you are stressed out, you just want the growth to magically appear, you want to go viral immediately, you want to upload video and see millions of views. It doesn't work like that. It's a gradual process. You have to give it time. It takes about 2 to 3 months for your video to mature very well, and for you to start seeing that kind of growth you are talking about, millions of views and thousands of views. It takes 2 to 3 months for that to happen. So you have to give it time. You have to allow your video to find their audience, and also you have to have enough patience and do the right thing. If you will optimize your videos, edit your video very well, make your video look good, it may not even reach up to that 3 months for you to get the kind of view you are looking for. But you need to also have patience. You need to be patient consistently, and also be patient and wait for your video for the algorithm to find those that may need that thing you are creating. Yes, it's going to take time for people to start trusting on what you are doing. Yes, once you start posting, a lot of people don't trust you. Some of them may even see your topic is what they want, is they like it. Some of them may even click on it and click out. They will not patronize you the way they should. That same video, you may do the same thing that a big YouTuber did. The person will get thousands and millions of views, but when you do it, you will get less than 100 views. So that does not mean you are shadow banned. That does not mean algorithm don't love you. That does not mean it's not favoring your video. That does not mean it's not your video is not fine, it's not okay. What it means that the algorithm is still finding the audience to supply your video to. So it takes time for the algorithm to find those to supply your videos to. So all you need to do is to post consistently and be strategic. Don't just post. Try and post and also be strategic. Use different patterns, different formulas to know what is working well. That's when you will see somebody, you try different things under your niche, try different patterns, then you know what is working well, what is going very well, then you stick to it and keep producing and producing. You will see results. Don't be so quick to quit. Yes, don't be so quick to quit. Keep posting, keep trying, and before you know it, the algorithm will definitely favoring your video, because the algorithm have seen that people really like what you are doing. People are patronizing your videos, and people are appreciating it. So that is when the algorithm will now start sending that your video. You start getting that millions that you are expecting to get. So be patient. Not being patient is one of the reasons why people leave quit YouTube even before they start. They're already trying to quit because they don't have enough patience to wait for their videos to mature. I have a YouTube page, so it takes me a lot of time for me to understand what was going on. I complain so much. I complain to my people. I complain to my husband. I complain so much. But at a time, I find out that I have to be patient. That one is bad video. If you are creating a bad video, definitely you are not going to get any view. You are not going to get view. Creating bad video is not just only your video is bad or it does not make sense. One is your visual aspect. If your video does not have a clear visual, the sound aspect, if people are not hearing what you are saying very well, and the optimization, if you do not optimize your video very well, these are the things that make your video look bad. Boring. Your editing, all these things must be accurate. You must edit your video to be accurate. You must make sure that the sound aspect is audible. People are hearing what you are doing, what you are saying. People are seeing you very well. Don't just stay in any corner and take any phone and snap and video and send it. You expect people to look at it. Sometimes some visual aspect make video look so boring. When the video is not clear enough, then when the sound is not sound enough, people are not hearing you, it's not audible, definitely some people are not going to watch it. You are going to post that video and post it and post it and post it forever, and people will not still adapt to it. So you are going to make sure your video is going to carry something. Either it's going to motivate people, either it's going to educate people, or it's going to entertain people. These three things, your video must carry one. Yes, it must be entertaining or educative, or it must be motivative. So you must optimize your title, your thumbnail. All this must be top notch. These things must be sound accurate. Even your conclusion, your video must be step by step. You must organize your video step by step. Title and thumbnail are the most important key on YouTube. If your title and thumbnail is not good, people definitely will not click on your video. They will not want to watch it. Even if you have the best video in the world, nobody want to watch it. They will not want to click on it. Your title must be out. Thumbnail is like a billboard that is advertising a particular product. Now let's say you are doing you are into makeup, then you put a banner outside, or a billboard outside. That billboard is talking about cooking. It's calling people that need caterers, those that will cook for them. Then when they get to that place that the banner is pointing at, and they see a hairdresser or a tailor there, people are going to be disappointed. The next thing, they will jump out of your video. That is what will lead to your low click rate. Then you see somebody, when after editing your video finish, you will see the whole the whole this thing, the arrow will point down, low click rate, because people are not staying. What they see outside your board is not what you are doing inside. This is called misleading title. If you have misleading title and thumbnail, it's going to affect your video very badly. Now, after that, all you need to talk about again is your conclusion. Your conclusion must be accurate and sound, so that when people come, even when they have watched your video to middle and that. Now, another thing is too much of competition. Too much of competition is not bad. It's not bad. The question is, how are you going to stand out? How are you going to make your voice count? You are in a niche that many people are doing a lot of things. You are in a cooking niche, and a lot of people are cooking or already doing things there. Then you get to that place. Why would somebody live where she's getting something from? That anytime she click, she get value from that. Anytime she click, she gets something what she exactly needs from that, and leave the person and come and join you. That is where you need to work on. Competition is not bad, but how do you manage your competition? For you, starting a YouTuber does not mean you are a professional on it. It does not mean you are a pro, but the step you take as you go, you're going to get through a lot of training. You're going to consume so many articles, so many books, so many things to be able to stand your ground on that niche. You're going to learn from those that has been on that niche, those things they are doing. You're going to tap from what they are doing. The other video I did, I talk about how to go to your bigger niche, people that go viral. If you are in any niche, you look for people that are doing well in that niche. That very video they did that did well, I'm not saying you should copy it and paste. You are going to recreate it. When you recreate it, you are going to do it better. Even add things that they did not add, then and send it out there. Then for you to be able to stand your competitor. And competitors are, remember, they're not going to step down or stay and watch you and tell you to start coming. Them are working day and night to maintain their ground. So you need to work day and night to also stand out. It's not time for you to relax or quit and say, there are so many people doing it, I can't do it, when will I succeed? Those kinds of thoughts always come to some people's mind. When you want to start something and you see other people are doing it, you just give up. Don't easily quit because of competitors. Don't quit because of competitors. Competitors will always be there, even in the normal life, even not only on YouTube, even inside churches. Anywhere you go, there are competitors there, those that are there to compete with you. So all you need to do is to study more about that thing you want to do, learn more about it, consume a lot of information, get information, study more about it, then come out and stand your own ground, have your own voice, so that your voice will speak for you. And it's going to be hard for you to stand out in the midst of big YouTubers. Yes, those are doing that thing you are doing. It's going to be hard for you to stand out, but all you need to do is to twist what they are doing to get what you want. Yes, you are going to twist what that thing they are doing that making them to go viral, that's making them to do well. You're going to twist it to get what you want, to stand out. So you have to buckle up your shirt, get ready and walk. Yes, you need to walk. Even our daily life, there's competitors everywhere, so don't even plan on quitting. There is no quitting. All you need to do is to buckle up and move forward. This one is red flag. You are posting consistently and you are still stuck with 0 view. YouTube is not even pushing your video out there to people that may need it. Your starting YouTube channel has a trust. A trust score is a basically idea YouTube used to determine whether you are a robot or a real human being, and how much to push your content out there, because there are about 200 millions of people posting video each day on YouTube. So it takes time for YouTube to determine where to push your video to, who to serve your video to. These are the things you need to consider. Grab any value to this video today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbnail, subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and also share this good news to others that may looking at it. It's not that YouTube ignore your video, it's not that your video is not okay. Your video really need time to mature. Your video really needs you to work on it, be consistent and do your work very well. You will get there. I love you.